Welcome to the world of Officemate. Our 80,000 square feet factory is located in Tamil Nadu, not too far from Chennai. With an annual capacity to produce over 40,000 modular units, it's a blend of technology and efficiency in production processes and optimum functionality. To ensure that every product that rolls out of our factory and into your premises meets exacting international standards, we have harnessed the best in machinery. From beam saw board cutting to edge bonding to multi-boring, not even the minutest of detail ever escapes our attention. Over 100 personnel are trained and employed by us, not just to man our cutting-edge machines, but to ensure that each one of them strives to uphold our credo, ergonomics redefined. To this end, we make sure that our obsession to only deliver the best starts from working with the best raw materials, responsibly sourced and used with a focus on ensuring energy conservation and avoiding resource depletion. 30+ machines ensure that these materials are sawed, cut, bored, bent, bonded, painted and assembled to make not just furniture but works of art. In-house testing ensures that all critical spares, even the seemingly insignificant, are meticulously examined. With a capacity to annually manufacture over 60,000 seating solutions, we make sure all our clients' needs are met in terms of quality, design, durability, and most of all, time. Our reputation for never missing deadlines is one of the cornerstones of our success. So come with us on a journey to the spaces of some of our over 1,000 satisfied customers. We understand and customize solutions for them. Our products are more than just furniture, they are statements of style and personality. Be it to meet, greet, discuss, confer, ponder, ideate, negotiate, learn, or just unwind with a coffee and a colleague. We have the perfect setting for you. Our focus is always on the market. Our pristine understanding of emerging challenges and demands guarantees that we notice every change in modern office design and requirements, seamlessly leading to the fact that we develop our products to blend the needs of comfort, functionality, ergonomics, and even acoustics. Put design to work for you. Welcome to our world. Welcome to Officemate. Ergonomics redefined.